Good evening, sir. I'm Anuj Swain. My membership number 505526. I have recently attended the AICA Level 2 Batch 28 in Hyderabad COE. As part of this certification program, I have prepared my Capstone project. The title is Expenses Scrutinizer Tool. I would like to highlight the the challenges that as a chartered accountant and the team member of chartered accountants are facing. During the audit, businesses drawn in monthly invoices, be it vendor invoices or utilities or fees, imports, across different formats, PDF, images, and also we get on different currencies. So what happened while we go for audit, we spend many hours, days, weeks, and months for scrutinizing the expense invoices. And it is not possible to get a true and fair picture for all invoices in a short span of time. And therefore, we cannot give a very accurate report to the management. And there is a possibility of risk of tax errors, missed claims, and audit penalties also. So what is the solution for it? Nothing to worry. So I have a solution for it. I have explored few of the kind of options, like after learning the Python, then Google AI Studio, and all other tools during my AI level 2 certification program. I explored a tool called Expense Scrutinizer tool, wherein we can able to upload different kind of invoices, be it PDF or OCR, image, any type of invoices to the application. And within couple of minutes, it can review 100,000 of invoices and give the desired result, which is truly mind-blowing. Okay. I will take you through the application. So what I used to build this platform, this tool. So I have used the backend, the Python Flask, and the PDF Plumber for the reading PDF, Tesseract for OCR, and OpenCV for images. Then for front end, I have used HTML, JS dashboard. And for exports, I have used OpenPO Excel and few other Python libraries. And the best part of this tool is, since it is Python 2, the data are secured within your local network. So with that, we are ensuring that we are not exposing the confidential information of the client to any third-party application. And therefore, we are compliant with the DPDP. So as output, we can see, we can get dashboard or nice dashboard with KPIs, total spend, the total input credit, the TDS, a red flag of different expenses, which is not allowable, charge, vendor trends, everything. Invoice table, we have TDS and GST register. We have audit ready report in Excel, CSV, which you can download it and then can reorganize or analyze in different way to get more input for the purpose of giving the final audit report to the management. On top of it, management get real report about total spend, of office expenses, you can say business allowable expenses, disallowable expenses, some red flags. Those are very critical information which management really can take this decision based on those informations. Okay. What is the impact? The impact is we are transforming a traditional method of auditing, of getting into, and many are doing vouching, auditing of expense, transforming that manual digital tool-driven audit, which will save many hours, weeks, and months of CA, and therefore you can able to focus our time on strategic, or you can say more, you can say finance, decision-driven, you can say consulting to the management. So with that, I would like to take you through the application. So I'm going to open the command file. So yeah, now my HTML file is, I mean, my Python language all set. So now I got my URL. I take this URL and paste it in a web browser, and I can get my tool. Yeah, here is my tool. So expense scrutinizer tool. So I made it little vibrant with different colors. So to take a quick word eye view about different segment of the report. So this is complete blank. And once we upload the data, then you can see about the different amounts. So now I'm going to, before I upload the information, I'm going to show you where exactly the data is stored here. So here are the five folders. I have uploads, I have templates, then this is the Python library, and this is the exports. So I'm going to upload the invoices. So here you can say, when I'm saying upload, I can drag and drop, or I can just browse. Okay, so I'm just browsing here. It take me to the few of the invoices that I've created as a dummy invoices for the sake of testing, so that we can at least see the how the numbers looks like. Yep. So there are 7 invoices, and all invoices are uploaded. So let's see the magic. Okay, here is the dashboard. Wow. So we can see like there are 7 invoices, then total spend, total input credit claimable, then your disallowance expenses. What does it disallowance expense mean? If any employee submitted some invoices which is having some kind of disallowable or personal expenses, like your any jewelry or any expenses they've incurred for personal effect, like personal items, or uh, bought wine or liquor and then try to claim from company. So those can be identified from this tool. Okay. So and then we have the total business expenses. One business expenses means that which are not disallowed, which can be disallowed is for the management decision, and then total deductible. Okay. Then few other red flag also. Okay. So total cost as per include. So these are the different things. Then we have a graphs and charts. So I'll just put it little vibrant colors to make it more appealing about like quick view about how the things are happening, which vendor is having, how much expenses incurred for that vendor, then month on month periodic. So this is maybe only for 4 5 months. If you can make it 12 months, you can have a 12-month graphs also. So disallowed expenses. So, So here, this is the invoice. Okay, so I have this is dashboard that I see. Now we can go to invoice table. So this is the invoice table. So what I did, I have just give a prompt in such a way that if there are invoices are missing, invoice numbers or GST numbers, place of supply, so that we can give a red flag, some kind of a color, so that we can find that there's a gap. Then we can ask the vendor to give the information to update for the input tax credit. Okay, so and then in that case, so we have all this information available, right? So and then we have all IGST, CGST, total tax. Then your currency is reverse I mean credit mechanism. Okay, so and then TDS. Then also remarks which expense is claimable, which is non-claimable, why not claimable. Okay, so that way it gave a detailed report. Then we have a red flag items. Why red flag? This give you the complete list of red flag items. Then it gave the input tax credit analysis, right? Import of services or blocked item. So this is a prototype, so I just focus on the dashboard, so the numbers can be revalidated, or you can say you need to identify the hallucination of the AI, and you to train it to get the best result. Okay, so for now, I'm just focused on the dashboard, the backend application, but definitely once we make it kind of more polished and more, we can train more effectively, then I can get more accurate results. So for now. So I mean, this is for purpose of only prototype, and therefore I didn't go through the number very specifically. So excuse me for that. Okay. So, and this is the TDS register, and then we have a compliance audit. Okay, so what all compliances are there, and then we have a report. We can download Excel report, we can download CBR, CSV report, we can download PDF report, and we can download management report. I just quickly do one quick download for the management report. So we can see the management report nicely colored, and then we have the executive summary, then non-business expenses, which is kind of eye-opening for the management to know why there is a such kind of expenses being coming to the system. So there can be checks and balances. This is something I created, that management summary report for a specific information to the go to the management. For that, they can take some immediate decision. So this is what my application. So as I said, I can see that if I go back to the exports, so whatever data we have seen, those are downloaded and getting saved here. Okay. So and then this is my application. So and this is our listen my templates, and this is my reports. So this is all about my expense scrutinizer tool. Really helping it for practice chartered accountants who are struggling to deal with many clients, not and during last minute audit and finalization. This is really very helpful for them. So with that, I'm ending my presentation. It is a great privilege to be part of the AICA journey. So I have learned a lot from this seminar. Level 1 and level 2 is really kind of eye-opening for us. Being a child and getting into the technology domain is something kind of we are at par with the industry, we're at par with the other domain. So that we are not lagging behind that, oh, AI is moving very fast. So we are also running at that pace. And I'm thankful for on the opportunity being given, and also wholeheartedly thanking on the AICA committee to conduct such kind of certification course for enabling the CA to grow in a professional journey, to be at par with the industry, and to embrace the technology and to be part of it, not out of it. With that, I'm once again thanking you for the certification that I'm getting, and I love to be part of any future certification going to happen as per the AICA committee's direction. Thank you.